Let's solve this question. A, B, C, D are two chords which intersect inside a circle at a point E at 90 degrees. At 90 degrees. So let's just draw the diagram. So there is a circle. Sorry. There is this circle, and inside this circle, two chords intersect at 90 degrees. Two chords intersect at 90 degrees. So let's just draw these chords. So this is first chord, this is second chord. They are intersecting at 90 degrees, right? This is the center of this circle, right? Next, they are intersecting at 90 degrees. If AE, these chords are A, B and C, D. A and B, and this is C and D, and they are intersecting at this point, which is E. Now, it is given that AE is 8. AE, the length of AE is given as 8 units. DE is 2. DE is given as 2. DE is given as 2. And radius is root 51. If I connect these 2 points, this is the center of circle. If I join these 2 lines, these 2 points, this is the radius, and radius is given as root 51. Also, if we connect these 2 points, that is A and this center, it also becomes the radius. It is given as root 51. In these type of questions, always connect center with the points that are on the circumference, so that you get the radius. Now, find the area of triangle DEB. I have to find the area of this triangle DEB. DEB is a right angle triangle. I know the area, the formula of area for a right angle triangle, area of triangle DEB would be half into base into height. So base is DE and height is BE. Height is BE. I know the value of BE. It is given me as 2. I need to know the value of BE. I have to find the value of this length BE so that I can get the area. So first of all, let's just assume the length of BE as X. I'm assuming the length of this segment BE as X. Now, let's see when chords are given in a circle. When chords are given, always draw perpendicular from the center of circle to the chords, because we know the property that if we join the or the perpendicular dropped on a chord from the center of the circle bisects the chord, or vice versa, that line joining center and bisecting the chord will be perpendicular to it. So I am dropping the perpendicular. That just gives the different color to see it clearly. So I am dropping the perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular. It will bisect this chord CD. Correct? Now draw another perpendicular to this chord AB. So I am dropping another perpendicular to this chord AB. Right? So this is the chord. Now it is given that DE is 2. I have assumed BE as X. Now, because 2 chords are intersecting, we know a very important property when 2 chords intersect. The product of these lengths, that is AE into BE, is equal to the product of these 2 lengths, which is BE into CE. So we have to use this property. This is very important property. Whenever 2 chords intersect inside a circle, then the product of these distances AE into EB is equal to BE into CE. So AE is given as 8, BE I have to find, I have assumed it at X, is equal to BE is 2 into CE. So 2, 8 get cancelled 4 times, from here I get CE as 4x. So this length CE is coming out to be 4x. So this chord CD would be 4x plus 2, and because this segment, this perpendicular is bisecting this chord, I'm assuming this point as P and this point as R. So this length CP would be half of CD, half of the chord, or it would be 2x plus 1, right? It would be 2x plus 1, and this length here, that is PE, this length PE would be dP minus BE. dP is also 2x plus 1 because it is half of the chord. So 2x plus 1 minus BE is given as 2. So it becomes 2x minus 1. So this length is 2x minus 1. And because this, I am assuming the center to be O, this figure ROPE, it's a square, it's a rectangle, because this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree. So these two lengths PE and OR will be parallel and equal. So this OR would be 2x minus 1. This OR would be 2x minus 1. Radius is given. This is a right angle triangle, and I know this distance AR, which is half of this chord. AR would be half of AB chord, and AB is 8 plus x. 8 plus x by 2. It becomes 4 plus x by 2. So in this triangle, in triangle ARO, it's a right angle triangle. Okay, so AR and O. Length of AR, it is radius, it is given as root 51. Length of RO, we just already find out to be 2x minus 1. AO is radius, AO is root 51. AR is the this length, 4 plus x by 2. This is 4 plus x by 2. 4 plus x by 2. It's a right angle triangle. Use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. So square these terms. I get 4 plus x by 2. Sorry, this is x by 2. 4 plus x by 2 whole square is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square, or the sum of these two expression is equal to root 51 whole square, which is 51. If I square these terms, I get 16 plus x square by 4 plus 2ab, which is 4x. So plus 4x square plus 1 minus 4x is equal to 51. Solve this equation. 4x get cancelled. 4x square plus x square by x square by 4. So it becomes 17x square by 4 is equal to 51 minus 17, that is 34. So I get x square as 8. So from here I get the value of x as 2 root 2. Now the area of this triangle would be half into DE, which is 2, and BE, which is we have assumed as x, is coming out 2 root 2. So the area of this triangle becomes 2 root 2. So correct answer to this question is option B.